If you live in Arizona and your home was hit by a major storm during monsoon season, well then, this video is for you. I am here today to help you save money on any damages done to your roof. How? Well, let's check it out. Welcome everybody. So today we're going to talk about monsoon season in Arizona and what you as a homeowner can do to protect your roof and your wallet. Monsoon season is from June 15th to September 30th. However, this weather can be before or after this season. This, unfortunately, is the time where your roof is at most risk for damages. Unfortunately, you cannot stop an extreme weather event from happening. However, you as a homeowner can save money if there are any damages done to your roof, specifically around this time. Monsoon season is where you get blistering heat, blinding winds, dusty storms, and flooding rains. Now, you obviously can imagine how this extreme weather can damage your roof. Here's the thing. When it comes to insurance, the sooner you make the claim, the better. This simply increases the chances of your insurance being approved. Okay, so let me briefly explain to you how insurance works. Most homeowners' insurance policies cover damages that include an act of nature or a sudden accidental event. However, they will not cover gradual deterioration such as wear and tear or neglect. To get a better understanding of what you need to do, this is how it works. As soon as your home is hit by a major storm and you may suspect that there might be some damages, it's really important, as I mentioned before, that you file a claim immediately because you want the adjuster to come out as soon as possible. This means you do not want to wait a week or two to file a claim. The faster you file a claim, the higher your chances of being approved. What can you file when it comes to insurance, and what do you need to look out for when it comes to damages on your roof? Wind damage. If you happen to have shingles on your roof and you notice that your shingles are either missing, loose, or cracked, then this is a telltale sign of wind damage. Leaks. Hopefully you notice this one on time. If you notice a leak either inside your home or any holes outside, then it's really important that you get this one early. Leaks can cause all sorts of damages to your roof, especially in the long run. One of the major causes of leaks is mold, rot, and damages to the underlayment and or decking. Ventilation damage. This includes such things as your turbines, so you want to make sure that your turbines are spinning on a windy day. Or box vents, so you want to make sure that they aren't loose, out of place, or that they have any dents in them. Hail damage. So when it comes to shingles, you will notice that they are either bruised or dinted, while as when it comes to tiles, they will be cracked. Trees falling on your roof. Well, obviously this one, you're not going to miss it because it's going to be very obvious, but you know, that's something you definitely want to report. Also, another thing you want to keep an eye out for is your neighbors. Are they having their roof inspected or fixed or replaced? That is actually a telltale sign that you should too. Here's the catch. Unfortunately, some of these damages are not going to be as obvious because you are clearly watching your roof, scanning your roof from the ground up. And of course, I definitely do not recommend for any of you to go up there and take a look yourselves. It really doesn't hurt you to either call a professional roofer or your insurance to come out and do an inspection. Why? Because this will not cost you anything. A lot of homeowners are actually really scared that their rates are gonna go up if they call their insurance or a roofer to come and inspect, and that isn't always the case. The solution to this is that you simply give a call to your insurance or a professional roofer and ask. Obviously, the worst thing that can happen is that your claim is denied. Now, there are so many reasons why you should anyway have your roof inspected, especially after a major storm. Number one, it's gonna save you money. So by having somebody to come out and inspect your roof, they are literally gonna pick up on any small damages that possibly can become bigger issues later down the track. And of course, this is gonna save you money in the long run. Small damages can become a much bigger problem later on. So you want to catch them early. Number two, if for some reason the adjuster comes out and does a roof inspection and doesn't notice any issues with your roof. However, a week or two after the inspection, suddenly you have issues, a leak, or something's going wrong. Well, guess what? Now you have it on record. Number three, you are ultimately prolonging the lifespan of your roof. This means you are taking proper care of your roof and taking the right action. Number four, warranties. Well, some of the requirements of your warranties is that you have your roof regularly inspected. I have made quite a few videos on this topic, so I do recommend that you hop onto our YouTube channel and check out these videos to get a little bit more information about this. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. Let me know of any other videos you would like me to make about roofing or solar. And if you would like us to give you a roofing quote or a solar quote, you can always go to the description box below for more information or to our website. Have a good day.